to my channel. Today we are going to be revisiting my closet. Now, if you haven't seen my previous closet makeover, go watch that, then come back. Or watch this. Or go watch it after this. In that video, I transferred all of my clothes from a big, huge dresser and put it in one of these hanging racks. And then, when I sold the set, it also included my husband's dresser. So then I got him into one of these as well. However, we discovered that it was a bit challenging to always be like putting stuff back in the closet and not having a dresser. And a dresser is also nice because then you can have just stuff on top of the dresser like deodorant and masks and just like hair stuff. We decided to get another dresser. So we have a new dresser. I painted it. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. The process of me painting it is in another video. I painted it, I put new handles on it. It looks absolutely stunning. We are going to be doing a spring cleaning of my closet. We are going to spring clean and get rid of anything that doesn't fit me anymore, and also transition summer, spring outfits and get rid of the winter and fall outfits. However, it might be kind of cold for the next month or so, so I'm going to still keep some stuff. So, let's get going! Now, in preparation of this video, I, about a month ago, switched all of my hangers to be facing this way. Right? The purpose of this is so that within a month I can see what all I have worn and what I haven't worn. So these two items I haven't worn in about a month and a half, which means that I probably won't wear them next year. These I have. Now this one is a little bit different because it is a little bit more flowy and not as wintry. So I'm going to hold on to this a little bit longer just because I know that I'll probably wear it in the summer more than in the winter anyway, because it's short sleeves. It's like a silky material, other than like this flannel is a lot warmer. If I was going to wear it, I would have worn it when it was really cold. So that is my system to know, to have an idea of things I should keep and things that I can get rid of. Now, before I even get into this spring and summer box, I'm going to go through the clothes that I already have and figure out what I'm not going to be wearing in the summer or in the spring, and also things that don't fit me or I don't like anymore, I'm gonna toss or donate. Alright, I'm back. I tried on my dresses and my skirts, and I got rid of 4 dresses and 2 skirts, and now I have 4 dresses left and 1 skirt left. So, and 2 of the dresses are going in the off-season wear. So this is my pile right here. My piles. I think I'm going to minimize it some more because I'm really going to be trying to do a more minimalistic wardrobe. My weakness is cardigans. I have a ton of cardigans, and I don't want to put them in storage yet because I like them. So, we'll see what happens there. So, I'm going to put you back on to fast forward. As I was cleaning out my closet, I started making a list of the items that I still needed in my wardrobe. I decided to clean out our foyer closet, getting rid of anything that we no longer use or no longer fits. And we ended up with a bag of donated items. I had my husband go through his clothes as well. I am so proud of how much he decided to donate. A lot of his dress shirts didn't fit right because he has long arms. He was also hanging on to some things with the idea that he might need them when he gets a different job. But just because you might get a different job or you might fit it again is not a good reason to keep clothes. And I am guilty of this way of thinking as well. Your closet should resemble the stage of life you are in right now. And by the time you do get a different job, or that size again, treat yourself and get new clothes. Throughout this decluttering process, I was making a list of items that we would need to replace. We ended up with 2 bags of clothes from our closet that we donated. Well, we finished it and it is now the next day, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Like, we got rid of so many clothes that didn't fit or we didn't actually end up wearing because we had so much clothes. And now we are able to put all of our clothes on the same kind of hanger, and we have extra hangers. So we do have a shopping list that we were creating as we were getting rid of stuff. They didn't fit and we really need a piece like that. We just put it on our shopping list, and we're gonna go shopping soon and kind of fill in and replace the things that we needed to get rid of because they didn't fit, but we would also like to have. If you notice here, I even have an empty shelf that I'm sure I'll find something to put here. But it's just nice to have a lot less clothes, and when I got ready this morning, I was able to see all the things that I have and know that everything in my closet I want to wear. So I hope this was an encouragement to you, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.